Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have aspect ratio option, so let's tap on it. And here we can manage this. Now we are in 4:3 ratio, let's pick 1:1. And now let's go back to the camera. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how aspect ratio 1:1 looks like at this device. Now let's go back to the settings from the left, then to aspect ratio once again, and pick 16:9 here. And as you can see in the camera preview, this is the bigger one here. And of course, when we tap on these settings from the left once again to the aspect ratio, we can easily go back to 4:3 by using this button. And to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all. This is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.